Hi guys, are you facing the same problem? In the AppSheet dashboard, it is not straightforward to add the action button on dashboard. So here I have a dashboard, I have 4 charts, but I cannot add a plus button here or I cannot add any action here. That is, there is no default setting for that. So I have to add a separate view for that. Or either you can click on that thing and then you see that action button to add the row in that dataset. But how we can add the action button here? For that, you just have to go to AppSheet settings, click on settings button, then click on view type options. Here you will find this option, show primary actions in dashboard. Just check this option and then boom, you will have that action here. Your action is present here and now you can add the data in that table by using that action. If you still don't see this button, then how we can do that? Go to actions and then confirm that for the action that you want to see here in the appearance tab, it should be set as display as primary, or it is display in line or display prominently, then it will not show here. You have to set it as display as primary and then it will show here.